What a beautiful fresh morning. It's the right time to start making some drama. Let's see, who can we bully now? There's a lot of Beanie Boos. Well, they should all get my treatment. Okay, children, gather around, please. So today we're going to woods. Some of you already probably went to woods, but today you're officially going to woods with me. I'm going to show you around, and please stick to the group and don't go anywhere without me knowing that. Okay? Okay, now we can start going to woods. If you need to go to toilet again or to grab a camera, I don't know, just do it now. We're going to woods. Great. That is a right time to make some drama. Well, I wonder who am I going to bully? Maybe I should bully Giselle. Yes. I'm sorry to interrupt you, but your plans will be ruined. Huh? Yes, Mr. Spirit. Hi. Yeah, I'm going to woods too. Don't act silly. I heard everything you said. That's why you're not going to woods with us. But I want to go. Do you want to see me crying? Oh, please, those are fake tears. Just go away. And please stop doing that. Otherwise, I'll have to tell that to principal. To principal? No, don't tell that to principal. I'll tell that to my mom. No. Fine. I'm not going anyways. Like, who needs to go to stupid woods? That kid is just so annoying. Okay, kids, are you ready? Let's just go. Okay, kids, this is the place where we are going to stay. I hope that you're wearing something very warm because it's really freezing outside. Yeah, it's really chilly. What a beautiful nature. Wow, nature truly is beautiful. I'm glad I came here. It's just so pretty. Yeah, but I'm not as pretty as you. Don't come near my sister. Well, children, do you see this place? It's just so beautiful. Nature, big, beautiful nature, full of wildlife and full of beautiful animals. Have you heard that there are still some wild clans of foxes? Oh yeah, I heard. I'm actually from one of the clans. Well, my aunt is. Oh, that's really beautiful. But nature can also be dangerous, but also beautiful. What do you say, Catcher? Oh, well, yeah, hashtag lol. Anyways, is there somewhere Wi-Fi? I want to play, like, Fortnite. Oh, young children nowadays. Can you tell me more about your clan? Sure. As much as I heard from my aunt, Aqua, it's a special clan with superpowers to control nature. Wow, that is magnificent. Does your aunt have some kind of, power? Yes. She's able to control water around herself, to turn it into ice, or to just move it. Wow, that is amazing. I would really like to meet your aunt. Oh, sure. Well, she's a guardian of Beanie Castle. Oh, so it's the mystical fox. Oh my gosh, I didn't know that your aunt is a mystical fox. Well, yeah, she's really famous because of that. Excuse me. Kasha, what are you doing? Well, I'm trying to catch some Wi-Fi since you didn't told me. I think I'm finding some signal here. I wish that this tree can tell me password. Stupid nature. Kids nowadays. Boys. Wow. Everything smells nice here. It's not like in Beanie Town. There's really a lot of cars. So it smells awful. Yeah. It's better here. It's wild. Yeah. But I heard that there are some clans of wild foxes. That is kind of making me scared. What if they come here to hotel and attack us? Well, if they do, I will protect you and even kill a wild fox just to protect you. Oh, you're my hero. Oh my gosh, they're getting close. No, sister, don't touch him. Wi-Fi. Oh, sup, Giselle? Shh. Shut up. There's a big situation happening. Oh, I see. Oh, is it Louie? Oh my, and Tiggy. Oh, that's smooching. Oh, please, shut up. Stop being disgusting. Smooching. Who knows what can happen later? Oh, please. Do you want me to slap you? Okay, jeez. So what? It's called love, you know? Yeah, but still, this is my sister. And she can't find a boyfriend until I don't get married. That's what promise we made to each other. Okay, geez, so what? So what? Maybe he can poison her. He can put some freaking donut stink inside her drink and she can die and collapse. Or maybe he's a gangster and maybe he'll kill her. He'll shoot her with a donuts. Oh, jeez. Are you okay? Do we need to call ambulance or something? You know, Teacher Spirit is here. Don't worry, I'm fine. But my sister won't be fine soon because that Tiggy will do something to her. Oh, well, you know, I know Tiggy, and he's good. His family is nice. They sell apples. His dad has an apple farm. Yeah. Apple farm? That means he's a farmer. That means he's stupid. Oh, I didn't know you have that stereotype, but no. His father is actually a policeman, and his mother is actually a doctor. I don't care. A doctor? A doctor? Oh my gosh, maybe she has... Oh my gosh, I don't really know what stereotypes does she have, but... You know, I'm just going to leave you here. Like, I'm searching for Wi-Fi and not to think of you. Well, bye, I guess. Don't leave me here. Wow, the view is magnificent. Yo, Teacher Spirit, maybe you should come up here. It's really good, and I see you really enjoying this place. Like, maybe you should come here to see the view. It's magnificent and magical. Oh, yeah, but I'm not sure that I should climb that. That doesn't feel safe, And maybe you should come down too, I'm just thinking about your safety, So maybe you should come down. No, I'm fine. Like, this is safe. See? Nothing happened. I didn't fall down. So maybe you should come here, like, if you don't know how to climb, I can help you, I'm a fox after all. Like, yeah. Ow! Yo, my brothers and sisters, come here. So beautiful. Yeah. Oh. Oh my gosh, she's calling the wild foxes. They're freaking going to kill us. Children nowadays. Oh, she's going to fall down. Oh, I wish I never signed to be a teacher. Even a police officer would be better. I hate my job. These children are going to be dead if I don't take care of them. And my butt is probably now dirty. Nature.